I am Nirmal K. Mehta. I am heading Gun Foundry branch of State Bank of Hyderabad, the oldest branch which was opened in 1942, and the new premises were opened by our first president Dr. Rajendra Prasad in 1955. This branch has got all the loan products and the deposit products, all the banking and non-banking products. We have this cross selling also. We sell the insurance and mutual fund products also. We have a regular feature wherein we counsel and advise the public for their financial planning. Then we have recently established one gold boutique which is named as Swarn Ganga. In this Swarn Ganga, which is a permanent feature of this branch, you can purchase on the spot gold coins in the denomination of 2 grams, 4 grams, 8 grams, 10 grams and 20 grams. Not only that, we have a keratometer, a machine which testifies the purity of your gold ornaments within 40 seconds. This machine enables anybody to take gold loan up to 1 lakh instantaneously. Our endeavor is to extend gold loan speedily, say within 15 minutes. For anybody who seeks gold loan beyond 1 lakh, it will take some time because the gold ornaments and jewelry against which we will be extending loan has to be evaluated by some expert also, and then any public member who may be our customer, may not be our customer, and even if he does not want to take gold loan, if he wants that his jewelry is to be tested, he is always welcome. This keratometer is always open during the working hours. So I in fact welcome everybody to take advantage of. In fact, we have reduced the amount by which they can open savings bank account, and recently our bank has launched the double ka meetha, by which in the shortest time span the money can be doubled. This is probably giving the best yield in the banking industry. For senior citizens, their money is doubled in 83 months, and general public in 87 months you can double your money. This 10K run is a feature which is second year in succession that your bank, State Bank of Hyderabad, is sponsoring. This is around the Hussain Sagar Lake. It starts from this plaza and it will terminate here. There are many variants, amateurs, then corporates, and then fun-loving people also. Registration is on. In fact, online registration we closed yesterday, and on the spot registration facility is also available in one of the stalls in this expo. So the public is invited to fill in the form and take part in this 10K run, which is aimed at in fact promoting good health and good living practices for public at large. Thank you.